Welcome to EdOptions Academy, powered by Edmentum courseware. With EdOptions Academy, you can take interactive courses and assessments that fit your individual learning style. This tutorial will show you how to communicate with your teacher in your online courses. Regular communication with your teacher is not only key to success in your course, it will also help you stay engaged and enjoy your learning. There are two different messaging centers that you can use to communicate with your teacher within the platform. The first is through your EdOptions Academy Maestro account or work. The other messaging center is available through courseware when you are working within your specific courses. No matter which messaging center you use, all messages will be answered by your teacher within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. To use the Maestro messaging center, first log into your Maestro account. In the left side menu, you will see a Message Center dropdown. This message center works very much like a standard email system. Click on Inbox to view your messages. Click Compose to start a new message. Click the To button to bring up a list of users within your course, including fellow students and your teacher. Select your instructor's name, then click OK. Enter the subject and the message. Don't forget to include your name and course title in the message. Then simply click Send. To use a messaging center within your course, log into your Maestro account and launch the desired course. Click the Messages icon, located in the top menu bar of the homepage, to open the messaging center. This is where you can view new messages, sent messages, and archived messages. Click on New Message in the top right corner of the screen to compose a new message. Click the To line for a drop-down of your contacts and select your instructor. Enter the subject line and message, being sure to include your name and course title, then click Send. You can use either of these message centers to communicate with your teacher. The only difference between the two is that messages sent through the Maestro messaging center will appear in your instructor's standard email inbox as well. You will also have the options to communicate with your teacher outside of the online course platform. Your teacher will provide you with their Edmentum email address and phone number, as well as contact information for other channels of communication they use, such as video conferencing. Be sure to talk to your teacher about preferred methods of communication and the best times for you both to connect. Never hesitate to reach out to your EdOptions Academy teachers. They want to get to know you and help you to be successful. Congratulations! You've completed the EdOptions Academy Teacher Communication tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to understand the features of your program.